Hi, welcome back to Opentimeclock 2008. Last time I've shown you how to add user on your account. This time I'm gonna show you how to add multiple users on your administrator account. I'm again already logged into my sample administrator account. As you can see on the upper right hand side, I'm logged in as an administrator. Now remember the last time I've shown you in our previous video, we have added Robert Davis. Now I'm gonna show you how to add multiple users in just a matter of clicks. We have two options to do that. First, I'm gonna show you how to copy the last user information, but this will just copy the full name, username, and the email, not the email address, just the full name and the username, and it will create a unique full name and username for the next employee. Now if you click this one, copy last user, let's try that. It will generate the same name, but as you can see, there is an additional character on it, which is number 1, in the username with a number 1 on it, because they cannot have the same username in one account. And as you notice, there is no email address for this specific added employee, because the system will not copy the last email address for this employee. You have to set it manually for this employee by going to the edit button here. Now let's try. If you click multiple times the copy last user, again it will generate the last user that you have created. It will copy the Robert Davis one, but as of this time it will generate another unique character, which is number 2 here, and then for the username we have number 2 here. So again, still you have to go one by one on their details if you want to change their password. I mean, if you want to add password on them and a username as well. And of course, they can have the same full name. You just have to go back here under the edit and then change their name. Okay. Now the second step that you want to learn from this video is on how we're going to add more users. If you have, let's say, a bulk of 10 users that you want to add, and you don't want to go to the hassle of adding them one by one using the add user button. We have an option here called import from .csv file. All you have to do is just to click this button. Alright, and then you will see 3 buttons here. Let's say choose file, import button, and you will see the download CSV template file. All you need to do is, if you haven't downloaded the template file, you have to start downloading it first, and then by next time you want to add more users, you can use the same template that you have already downloaded. Now you cannot use a different template, like your own template in importing employees details from this setting. All you have to do is to use the default template file that we have provided you and use it to import additional more employees or users on this account. Now let's try downloading the .csv template file here, and once it's completely downloaded, it's very quick. All you have to do is to open that, and then it will prompt you this page. This is like an Excel file sheet. Now you will see here the department name here, and then next column that we have employee name, and then employee number, username, password, email address, and the barcode. Now as you can see here, only the names, employee number, username, password, and email are filled in, because those are most of the important information that you use. Now I'm just gonna erase all this information here, and I'm gonna try to put in some additional information, employee information here. Let's try another one. I have here, say Travis, then Elvis, and then the user employee number. I don't want to put any employee number for this employee, and then use Elvis, his first name, as the username, and the password would be Travis. Now the email I want to add for this employee is elvis.travis@company.com, and I'm gonna add one more user here, which, let's say, Smith, Tracy, and then Tracy, and then Smith, for the password. For the email would be smith.tracy@company.com, and I'm gonna add one more, and we have here, let's say, Roberts, Alex, and then Alex, and then Roberts be the last name, I mean the password, and then for the email would be alex.roberts@company.com, and then one more last user that we have here, Linda, let's say Linda Cole. All right, and then Linda here, and then Cole for the password, and then Linda Cole at company.com. There you go. Now we have a group of 4 people here that we want to add in just a matter of clicks in our system. Okay, all I have to do is just save this, Control S, or you can go here by clicking this one and then click save. All right, and then if you've been prompted to with this message, just all I have to do is to click yes. Remember, the file name is sample employees, and then there's a number 1 because I think I have already downloaded one earlier. But anyways, now let's just minimize this one and then go back to our screen. Now I'm gonna choose that file in order for me to add those 4 additional employees on the system. Just choose file and then look for sample employee 1. There you go. Then open it. There you go, and then click import. Now wait for a while, and then you will see here import employees completed successfully. Just click close. The system will refresh and you will see all the 4 added employee here. Now we have Cole Linda, we have Smith Tracy, Roberts Alex, and Travis Davis. Okay, so that's how simple you're going to add multiple users on your account. If you want to make it easier for you to add more users, just simply go to the import from .csv file, or use the downloaded template that you have downloaded previously. All right, remember, you're not allowed to create or use your own template, because this .css template is the one being used by the system in order for it to add the users that you want to add on the system. Okay, all right, so well, thank you so much for watching once again on this short video. We'll see you in our next video on how we're going to use and to know more about the settings on this account or on your administrator account. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.